For decades, writing software or solving complex technical problems required fluency in specific, rigid commands. Without years of specialized study, these systems often felt impossible to navigate. However, the primary tool you need to solve technical problems today is natural language, the plain English you use every day. In this session, we'll automate a spreadsheet, diagnose a system crash, and build a working application. To follow along, you only need a web browser, a basic text editor, and a Gemini account. Addressing technical barriers has now become a process of articulating your goals clearly, rather than memorizing complex lines of code. We'll start with spreadsheets. Manually searching through hundreds of rows for specific data is time-consuming, so we are going to automate the process of highlighting expenses over $500. In Gemini, you can simply type, "Write a Google Sheets formula to highlight all cells over $500 in red." This diagram shows why precision matters. If your data is in column B, your request must specify column B. Once Gemini provides the formula, paste it directly into the custom formula field within the conditional formatting menu. The spreadsheet updates instantly, highlighting every qualifying expense in red. This approach allows you to apply complex logic without needing to learn the specific syntax of spreadsheet functions. Technical issues often appear as incomprehensible error codes during a system crash. Rather than transcribing a long string of system text, you can take a screenshot of the dialog box. Upload that screenshot to Gemini and ask for a simple explanation and a fix. As shown here, the AI takes the dense error text on the left and converts it into the actionable checklist on the right. Following the AI's first step, we open the application settings and clear the local cache. After a quick restart, the application functions normally again. By translating cryptic codes into clear instructions, you can resolve software issues independently. Now, we will move from fixing existing tools to building a new one from scratch. Ask Gemini to write the HTML code for a modern calculator and explain how it works line by line. Copy the code block and paste it into a standard text editor, like Notepad or TextEdit. This diagram highlights a common error. While text editors save files with a .txt extension, a web browser requires a .html extension. To fix this, select all files in the Save menu and manually add .html to the file name. Once saved, the file icon changes to your browser's logo, showing it is now a functional web page. To open it, simply double-click the file. The result is a fully functional calculator interface running directly in your browser. Testing the tool with a simple calculation confirms that the code is working as intended. This demonstrates that you can deploy custom tools by describing their function, even without a background in web development. We have transitioned from simply observing technical problems to actively resolving and creating our own systems. In this session, you automated a dataset, fixed a system error, and built a custom calculator. To continue building, try asking Gemini to write and explain the code for a personal web page. Using AI as a translation layer between your goals and technical code allows you to build digital tools tailored to your needs.
Thank you for watching. For more professional AI insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to AI Corecast.